Kawe mano motenore kod chudo e-citizen ni apisas mag sirkal makwan gi romo 1,280 ne otiyo gi oboke mabandia yudo tije e migepe mag piny owacho kod bede migepe mamoko mag sirkal. Mae nonro ma oyangi kane chiwo ripot ne okwach kich kod EACC e wi medruok mar oboke mabandia ma ji donjogo e apise sirkal. Kwan certificate 53,599 ne ochwal gi duol mar NEC kowuok e bede migepe 91 mag sirkal mondo mi non-gi. Bende giyango ni bad migawo mar arita kwe, kambi teko stima midendo ni Geothermal and Development Corporation, osiptal ma Kenyatta kod mano ma Moi Teaching and Referral eman kod kwan mamalo mag jotije manitiere kod oboke mabandia.
The highest institution with forged certificate is the Ministry of Interior. But more so because also it has the highest number of employees. The other institution is the Geothermal and Development Corporation. That's at Aparastato under the Ministry of Energy. And the third one, which should put a worry in all your faces, is Kenyatta National Hospital. This is a health institution. And the fourth one with the highest number of forgeries is Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital. This is another health institution. Those bear the greatest responsibility in the number of forgeries.
Anybody that is found culpable will have to bear the consequences of their evil, including forfeiting anything that gain that they may have accrued over the period of time that they have served under that fake certificate.